Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share a list on ClickUp. Maybe you want to collaborate with your team members by providing them a direct access to your set of tasks or projects. So today I'm going to show you how to share a list on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the list that you want to share. Once you have found the list, simply tap on it. Now, in this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear. And here, since you wanted to share this list, simply tap on the share option. A new window will pop up, and here, you can invite people by email, or you can just tap on the share link button, and in this menu, choose where you want to share the link of this list. You can also just copy the link of this list by tapping on this copy URL button, then send the link to your team members. After that, you now have successfully shared the list on ClickUp. Your members will now be able to access and view the list by either accepting your invite or by tapping the link that you have shared to them. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a list on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a list on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.